Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are available in the description below. Also, keep in mind that this video reflects my personal experience with the platform. Stockspot is an automated investing service, often referred to as a robo-advisor, that simplifies the process of building and managing an investment portfolio. It's designed to be a hands-off approach, ideal for those who prefer a more passive investment strategy or may not have the time or expertise to actively manage their investments. Stockspot creates a diversified portfolio tailored to your individual financial goals, risk tolerance, and time horizon. They invest in a mix of exchange-traded funds, ETFs, which offer broad market exposure at a low cost. This approach allows you to gain access to a wide range of asset classes, including Australian and international shares, bonds, and other investment categories. Stockspot takes care of the ongoing management of your portfolio, including rebalancing and reinvesting dividends, to ensure it stays aligned with your target asset allocation. They also provide regular performance reports and access to financial advisors if you have questions or need personalized guidance. One of the key advantages of using a service like Stockspot is the low fee structure, typically lower than traditional financial advisors. This can make it a more cost-effective way to invest, especially for those with smaller account balances. Stockspot's website, found at www.stockspot.com.au, offers a wealth of information about their services, including details on their investment methodology, fee structure, and security measures. You can also find resources such as calculators and educational materials to help you understand the basics of investing and make informed decisions. They emphasize a long-term investment approach, discouraging market timing and encouraging regular contributions to maximize the benefits of compounding. Stockspot is regulated by ASIC, providing an additional layer of security and confidence for investors. They adhere to strict compliance standards and prioritize the safety and security of client funds. Whether you're a beginner investor just starting out or an experienced investor looking for a simpler way to manage your portfolio, Stockspot offers a streamlined and accessible platform to achieve your financial goals. They offer various portfolio options to suit different investor profiles, from conservative to growth-focused strategies.